Are you looking for the best wire tracer? In this video, we will break down the top 6 wire tracers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1. EXTECH-CB10-KIT. EXTECH offers a high-quality tracing kit for detecting electrical issues. Along with detecting wires, this kit can also help you locate circuits, installation defects, and other malfunctions around the house. It's also quite handy for professionals because it's very powerful and highly efficient. The wire and circuit tester features a unique snap-on design. A transmitter and a receiver snap together for easier transport and storage. The tracer is ergonomically designed and pretty straightforward. It comes with an LED light and an audible alarm, so the results are easy to read. There's also a sensitivity adjustment button that allows you to set up the signal and detect wires in every situation. It also feels a little loose. Another thing that requires careful handling is the outer shell in general. It's rather fragile and might break if dropped or damaged in any other way. At number 2. KLEIN Tools VDV500-820 Cable Tracer. This cable tracer can transmit signals to as far as 1,000 feet with 5 distinct tone rhythms. KLEIN's transmitter comes with Toner Pro technology, which tests for polarity and continuity, and displays results through the device's LEDs. On one end of the transmitter is an RJ11 plug for your telephone and RJ45 data cables for tone wire pairs. This product lets you attach wires securely with angled bed of nails clips. That way, connections are tight and signal transmission will be distinct. If you worry about tracing circuits in a noisy environment, the tracing probe provides a 3.5mm headphone jack so you can focus on the audio coming from the transmission. It's packed with a work light. Besides, this product's receiving end allows me to adjust volume, see the battery status, and trace wires in identical systems with its responsive, durable, and conductive tip. For additional accuracy, terminal blocks are also present to confirm wire pairs. At number 3. FLUKE Networks Pro 3000. This kit from FLUKE Networks comes with smart tone technology that gives you 5 different sounds while identifying the wire pairs. This technology aids you in tracing non-active wiring. This makes the FLUKE brand more versatile than the rest of brands in our list. This tone generator kit has the range of transmitting its signal up to 10 miles. With its high-volume speaker, you get to hear the signal sound very loudly in noisy environments. Your toner also carries a lanyard that enables you to hang your toner, making your hands free of stress from holding the toner. It also has a noise filter that helps you in easing your wire identification process in a bundle of wires. With its feedback feature, you can easily verify cables by shortening the pairs of those cables. To save the battery life of your kit, the probe shuts off automatically after 5 minutes of non-use timing. At number 4. NOYAFA NF388B Multipurpose Network Cable. NOYAFA is the best wire tracer on the market. This is a quality multipurpose tracer with an affordable price. This wire tracer is suitable for 5E, 6E, telephone wire, USB cable, coaxial cable, and other cables. It can also test polarity and voltage. This product comes with a hub blink which can locate a network port by the flashing port light on the hub/switch. Moreover, this device can check wiring error in 5E, 6E. The coaxial cable. It is very convenient that this product can measure cable length and determine the distance of the broken point. Cable checks are easy and quick when using this product. At number 5. TOPONE Wire Tracker. Connect 2 alligator clips to the ends of the wire to check if resistance exists. If yes, the wire could be a short or open circuit. You can use the wire tracker function to locate the problem. You can trace the wire with the detector probe. An audible tone will increase in volume as the probe gets closer to the wire. In a noisy environment, you can put on the headset and adjust it to a proper volume to avoid the interference. Move the function selector switch of the emitter to the scan position. When the cell voltage is below 6.0 V, the status indicator and the verify indicator of the emitter can flash at the same time. At number 6. ACEKOOL Wire Tracker. This tracker comes with almost everything for wire testing and is inexpensive. This wire tracer is good value for money. This is a professional wire tracer. It can quickly find the required line pairs and can trace cable assignment and cable state. Moreover, this tracer can help you find out the physical connection status of a network cable. It works well as a functional cable tester. You can use the emitter to test the line level, positive and negative polarity detection. It will not take much time to find the target wire from plenty of other wires with the help of this product. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.